Hi guy, what's up? What's going on? So today I'm coming out with this opportunity that will help you to make amount of money just by using your phone. You can make money in this website wherever you are, chilling in your home, studying in school, and wherever you are. So just go to the Google and type eagleqashtechnologies.com. Directly will be directed to this website, and you will start to explore and read articles to understand on how this opportunities works. So first of all, as you see in this website, I can explore and try to navigate on my summary article that explain according to my country. So this is special to the countries from those who understand English language. So direct I'm going here and I start to read. So how will I earn in this Eagleqash technologies? First of all, after registration, you will start to earn just by getting welcome bonus. Then you will start to perform easy tasks and start to earn. So this is like a side hustle project that will help you to earn money. So you will start to perform some simple survey, watching ads, liking ads, and good luck is you can share your links to your friend via affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing will help you to earn more money just inviting your friend. So you will invite your friend and start to earn. As you see here, there are some testimonial people from Kenya, Uganda, Nigeria, etc. So this works absolutely. This is not working all over the world, but there are some countries has the great chance to work on these opportunities. So like Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Congo DRC, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Burundi, Zimbabwe, and so many countries, Oman and Saudi Arabia. So if you come from this country, you can work with this opportunity and start to earn. So if you're interested, directly click the link on WhatsApp button here, then come to my WhatsApp and say I want to make money